Hello, my name is CJ Gonsalves. Today we're going to go over how to start a Zoom meeting. So you'll open up the Zoom application and then you'll go to New Meeting. We'll press Join Computer Audio. Then to invite people, you go down to Participants and press Invite. I'm going to invite through email. While we're waiting, if you want to do reactions, you come down to this and press the button, and you can react here. And then to do a background, like the background that I have, we'll let her join first. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, I can hear you. So I'm going to show them how to do the background, and then I'll start asking you the questions. To do the background, you click on those three little buttons, and then you'll press Choose Virtual Background. So to start with the questions, what type of music are you into?
I like all kinds of music. I'm into everything from like classical and jazz to metal rock and country. So pop music too. I like a little bit of everything.
What is the next place on your travel bucket list?
Definitely Canada. I have friends and family up there that I would love to see in their home up there. So I'd love to go to Canada.
What